This thing cleans up so well, man. I just can't wait to get those side skirts on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're way behind schedule. I was supposed to leave. Oh God, hang on a second. Tampa John, FaceTime audio. I think I just did that on accident. Sorry, TJ, I FaceTimed you on accident there, bud. We're actually going to a car show at RIT, local, kind of like a school, local college, and I'm super late. Like I said, I was supposed to leave like an hour ago, and I'm still here. I just had to clean up the car a little bit, and I just got word that it started to rain a little bit over there. But you know what? With all this work, and I at least want to go ahead and see what is up out there. I went ahead and vacuum bled my clutch just now, so hopefully we'll kind of see if that fixed our issue. It worked great, by the way. It worked really well. So let's go ahead, let's hop in. I'm late. I'm gonna meet my buddy. We're gonna meet up with Zach, Mr. S2000. We have made it. Kind of late. Everyone kind of dipped out because the rain started to come down a little bit, but you know, we figured we'd still stop by, check out what's here, and look what we found. Oh, that's clean, man. Is that factory paint?
Yeah.
Wow. That looks really nice. Check it out. A little KAT. So we're at the airport. We're not going anywhere. Although I wish I was going to Florida, let's be honest here. But I mean, we just figured we got the boys out here. Skyline that I showed you guys earlier. Mr. S2000's with us. But we're just getting a couple shots in here. Kind of a cool setting. That's why you gotta follow me on Instagram so you get those fire shots, homie. Check them out. Like the rain kind of scared a lot of people away, and there was just a lot of music, and so we couldn't really film. Obviously, you couldn't hear anything what people would be saying anyways. But just kind of a chill day. We're actually at a hangar. There's a dope Evo here, not ours. Car's doing really well, having a lot of fun, man. It's what it's all about. So we're out here. Look at this, man. That's it. We're out. What's going on here? I missed the memo. Oh man, that's funny. All right, happy Sunday. So it is the next day, guys. Yesterday, kind of a real laid back day. Sorry about not uploading yesterday too. That's why today I gotta make sure I get something up for you guys. And there are a couple things I do want to discuss and ask you guys a couple questions. So it's actually like somewhat of a nice day today. Finally, I can just wear a t-shirt and be comfortable for once. So I have a couple questions as far as like what you guys honestly want to see on the channel, because I have a couple ways we can go ahead and do this kind of content. Obviously we have our Z, we have the 240 as well, for those of you that are unaware but should know that we still have it. The plan is to go, we have a 5.3 in the garage. Long-term goal is to go like RB25 Neo or something like that, but that's like obviously a long-term goal where it's going to take some time and money to go ahead and build something like that, whereas a 5.3 I can literally just put a cam in it, maybe get some valve springs or something like that, and put it in the car and do whatever, you know. We can put a snail on it if we want to, but So I kind of just want to get a gauge as to what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see like Z32 content? Because obviously it's a fully built, it's done. We can go do rips, we can go do track days, which we are going to go do. We're going to go like to the drag strip and a quarter mile and stuff like that to go ahead and see what I can put down. I think that's going to be cool. It'd be cool like a weekly series, a weekly video, I guess you would call it, of us just going to this track and trying to improve our times and make the car faster, better. But we also have to be careful because it is our daily as of now, you know what I mean? So we can't be too aggressive with it. But that is something that I want to go ahead and get involved in. So with the LS240, we could start doing like the engine bay and stuff like that for it. I'm kind of like building a budget for it because as of right now, I'm just kind of rebuild and recuperate myself from the whole Florida trip. And talking about Florida, that leads me to my next point. So after being down there, you guys said the same thing. Like I seemed happier. It was totally different down there, and it's a whole other vibe. So I really want to go ahead and try and get myself down there, I guess, more frequently, or maybe even, obviously, the long-term goal would be, short-term, I guess, goal would be to go ahead and move down there. So just a quick, I guess, plug for myself. If you guys want to go ahead, I have a couple Calvin's Garage oil slick stickers left. Buying them would honestly help me out. So the link is down below for those. I think we maybe have like 15 or 20 left. So just trying to get rid of those so we can maybe get some new merchandise on the channel, because I know that is one thing that we're kind of lacking on. But yeah, I really do want to make my way down to Florida more. I want to make another trip pretty soon. It was just a lot of fun, man. It was just like, you know, the people, it was cool. Everyone down there was super nice, and the content was there as well. But yeah, so, you know, we're obviously just trying to work towards that. We're just trying to build the channel up, trying to get views back up. So if you guys do enjoy content, throwing a thumbs up on the video does make a big difference. It just kind of helps get the stuff out there a little bit better. But yeah, so let me know what you guys are thinking. Z32 content, I got side skirts to put on this thing. We got to paint our nose piece. Interior, we could start working on interior a little bit. But the thing is, like, I'm trying to produce daily content out here, and it's to actually continue modding this or continue to work on this car, I would have to keep buying stuff, and I really don't have the budget for that currently. Apart from the parts I do obviously already have. So painting the nose piece, we got to put the side skirts on. I have a couple little additions to our front bumper that I have to work with. We can just do like aero mod, like we can do maybe like ducting as far as like for the radiator and like cooling mods and stuff like that. But I do want to know what you guys want to see, because obviously you guys are the whole point of it. Like, I want to tailor my content to what you guys want to see. That's kind of like the gist of it. I don't want to ramble. Hey, what's up, Chipmunk? Hey, Bob. Kind of the gist of it, to be honest. I really want to move to Florida, but I just got to find a way to be able to do it without, you know, selling cars, which obviously we don't want to do. So merch, that's something that we have to like get back up on the channel. But again, sometimes, guys, if you see a video like this, I do apologize, but like it's just something that we have to continue to upload, because I mentioned this before, but if we stop uploading for a couple days, it takes a pretty serious toll. Unfortunately, hopefully that changes, man. Hope they're not so strict about like missing a day or two in the future. But man, it has been kind of a thing that I've noticed. But this is another thing that's actually going to be a big part of the channel coming up pretty soon. So later today, you guys might see this in a whole other video, but we're actually going in a couple hours. We're actually going to pull out an SR20 out of a S13 hatch. That S13, or yeah, that hatch is going to be getting my RB20, which is cool. It's a local guy, and that SR20 is now, I'm gonna swap it into a Datsun 510. So we should be doing a full video series on this thing, guys. We're doing custom metal wide body fender flares. You know, I'm gonna be making them. We're gonna be making them with my buddy. But it's gonna be a cool build, man. SR20 510 build is coming up on the channel, and it's gonna be super clean. Like, we're trying to make this thing look super good. So another big build. I really don't know if I should mention anything. Maybe I'll kind of give like a little bit of a hint as to what you guys should expect, because nothing is, I guess, technically set in stone, but the guy who has the car and wants the build done is pretty like, as of what he's told me, he's pretty serious on it. So only thing I'm going to tell you, it's I guess we'll just do rear-wheel drive car, and it's gonna have an RB26 in it. So I guess we'll just leave you with those details. And he's from California. How crazy is that? I'm in New York, and he's planning to ship the car over to me. So I'm excited for that build, man. It's gonna be pretty epic. I cannot wait to get my hands on an RB26. It's gonna be super cool, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I cannot wait. Hopefully you guys are stoked. But yeah, like I said, SR20 510 build, RB26 rear-wheel drive builds coming up as well. But give me your feedback, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Take it easy. Have a good night, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. It's beautiful out today. Hopefully it's not too bad where you guys are at. Take care, guys. Later.